Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 1. So we are going to explain you N, NA and net work days formula. Number 1 formula, N formula. This function converts a numeric entry to its mathematical value. Anything which will not convert is shown as 0. Excel does not really need this function due to the fact that Excel calculates in this way naturally. This function is included for compatibility with other spreadsheet programs. Formula details, you just need to mention N, select your numeric entry, close your bracket, enter, and you'll get your data. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is needed, guys. This formula works in every single version of your Excel. If you're working on large database and getting your details through different framework, and then please use this formula if you're not getting your numeric value or data in a numeric value or its mathematical value. Complete details, this video details already in description box, so please copy and paste for your future reference, but for that you have to subscribe this channel. And in part 2 we are going to explain 2 different formulas starting from N, which is not N now. So we already have multiple videos in which we already explained all these Excel formula and in network days not now with multiple examples. So I would really appreciate if you check those videos as well, so that it will be very easy for you to understand how this formula works. Otherwise, please copy and paste complete details from this video for your future reference as well. Now moving to NA formula, very interesting. This function is a placemaker used to indicate that required information is not available. It can be typed directly into a cell as NA, bracket start, bracket close, or it can be used as a part of calculation. When the NA is used, any calculation which depend upon the cell will show #NA error. It is used to indicate that all the data has not been yet entered into the spreadsheet. Very interesting formula, because we are getting the same after using different kind of formula. If there is any error, we already find this error message NA. Formula details, no need to mention anything, just mention NA, bracket start, select your data, bracket close, and then you'll get the #NA error. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is required. This formula works in every single version of Excel. So I'm going to explain again. This function is a placemaker. Okay, now next formula, net work days. Very interesting formula. This function will calculate the number of working days between 2 dates. This formula will calculate the number of working days between 2 dates. It will exclude weekends and any holidays. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. Formula details, net work days. Please, I'm going to repeat, net work days, start date, end date, and then holiday, and then bracket close, and then enter. Formatting required or not, the result will shown as a number. I'm just going to explain again. This formula will calculate the number of working days between 2 days. It will exclude the weekend and any holidays. Guys, we have a separate videos in which we already explained every single formula, means N, NA, net work days not now, using multiple different examples. So might be that will be more helpful for you to understand how this formula works. And this is not possible for us to explain this Excel formula using multiple example in single video. So in this video we are just going to give you basic detail that what is meaning of that formula, how you can use that formula, is any formatting is required. But we have a separate videos in which we already explained this formula with multiple examples. Please share your feedback so that will improve ourselves. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. Have a great day, have a great future, and don't miss to copy and paste the data for your future reference. But for that you have to subscribe.